Good morning and a warm welcome to your show, Sunny Mornings in Boston. I'm your host, Melissa, and it's Thursday, February 5th. You'll be interested to know. Today is National Nutella Day. This creamy holiday honors the beloved hazelnut cocoa spread, which traces its roots to an Italian pastry chef named Pietro Ferrero and a 1964 innovation. Celebrate with a playful toast, a spoonful on warm toast, or a shared breakfast moment with friends and family. So grab your jar and join the sweet, fun go celebrate. So now you know. And now, it's time for the weather report. This morning, it's mostly sunny, and it feels like 9 degrees, with 6-mile-per-hour wind. The sunset will take place at 5:03, and it will rise again tomorrow at 6:48. It looks like we're in for some sunny weather today, with a high near 29 and a light northwest wind around 6 to 9 miles per hour. Tonight, expect partly cloudy skies with a low of 13 and a gentle north wind. For all you beach runners out there, the first low tide Thursday will be just before 7:30, with a high tide just after 1:30. The nearshore buoy at Cape Cod Bay reads 33 degrees for the water temperature. Looking ahead in the weather. Friday will be mostly cloudy with a high near 28 and a slight chance of snow late with light northeast winds. Saturday brings snow with highs near 27 and northwest winds 3 to 13 miles per hour, gusting as high as 26. Then much colder Sunday with highs near 17 and breezy northwest gusts. Bonjour, food enthusiasts. This podcast is brought to you by Versailles Cafe and Pastries in Encinitas. Nestled on El Camino Real South, just north of Encinitas Boulevard, this cafe is a haven for culinary delights. Indulge in their amazing Eggs Benedict or their gluten-free crepes. You can grab a panini for lunch or just breeze on through to get your morning coffee. They are open every day from 8 to 5. So stop on by and don't forget to tell them Sunny Morning sent you. In local news, high-end supermarket Sprouts Farmers Market and drive-through coffee shop 7 Brew are set to open in Weymouth after receiving key approvals from the town last month. The businesses will occupy a vacant Honda dealership at the intersection of Front, Main, and Winter Streets. This project, on a lot of approximately 90,000 square feet, was approved by the Weymouth Board of Zoning Appeals and the Conservation Commission in January. The Sprouts will be the first location in New England, while 7 Brew already has a kiosk in Springfield. Both companies emphasize their commitment to quality, with Sprouts offering organic and gluten-free products. Now on to sports. The 2026 Winter Olympics faced significant infrastructure concerns in recent weeks. The first event in Italy, the set of mixed doubles curling matches, experienced a power outage just 5 minutes into the competition. With clocks and scoreboards down, play was halted for about 5 minutes, during which athletes entertained themselves. The local organizing committee cited an energy issue, but details remain unclear. While the curling venue has a strong historical background, issues persist with the hockey and sliding arenas, including ongoing construction and safety concerns. The situation raises doubts about the overall readiness of the games. In local sports, the Celtics continued their winning streak, taking down the Rockets 114-93 on Wednesday night. Derrick White shone with 28 points, including 6 three-pointers, helping the team secure a 4th straight victory despite the absence of star Jaylen Brown. Houston's coach Ime Udoka was ejected after a heated exchange with officials, while Alperen Sengun also got tossed for arguing a call. The Seas dominated the third quarter, going on an 18-3 run to extend their lead, showcasing impressive shooting from White and Baylor Shiremen. Next, the Celtics will host Miami on Friday. In top news, experts say the U.S. needs an additional 2 million to 20 million homes to address the housing crisis, highlighting the significant shortfall. Moody's estimates that 2 million new homes are necessary, while Goldman Sachs suggests 3 million. Zillow believes the figure exceeds 4 million, and Brookings estimates 5 million, with McKinsey claiming 8 million. In contrast, congressional Republicans argue the shortfall could be as high as 20 million. Some economists even contend that there is no shortage at all. Vacancy rates and household dynamics complicate the assessment, with 18% of adults aged 25 to 34 living with parents in 2023. In business news, the crypto hoarding strategy is unraveling. Bitcoin fell below $76,000 on Saturday, saddling Michael Saylor's company with paper losses on its token purchases. The strategy that rewarded companies for hoarding cryptocurrencies is now punishing them. Bitcoin Ether and other digital tokens are in a slump, causing shares of companies like Strategy to slide. Investors are concerned that big firms may unload their holdings, triggering further declines in digital coin prices. With Bitcoin now trading at around $78,000, down 38% from its early October peak, the market braces for a potential breaking point. In crypto movement, Bitcoin is down 7% to just over $71,000. Ethereum is down 7% to just over $2,000. And XRP is down 9% to $1.45. Moving on to a more local vibe. In our community spotlight on health and wellness, we are working with a national Pilates studio to bring you some free classes, so listen up. Check out Club Pilates, with several locations in the Boston area. Pilates presents a comprehensive wellness approach, cultivating strength, reducing tension, and elevating mental well-being. Scientific research affirms its benefits. So now you can check out Club Pilates for a free class. With locations in Canton, Wellesley, Hingham, Brookline, and Framingham, just be sure to tell them Sunny Morning sent you by. And now, back to the show. Let's talk science. Popular weight loss drugs, such as Ozempic and Wegovy, are intended as lifelong treatments for obesity and type 2 diabetes, not quick fixes for weight loss. A recent analysis reveals that nearly half of the individuals using GLP-1 medications stop within a year, often unaware of the consequences. Studies indicate that individuals typically regain lost weight within about 1.5 years after discontinuing these drugs. Moreover, blood sugar and cholesterol improvements reverse, leading to a faster weight regain compared to lifestyle changes. Experts stress the importance of combining these medications with long-term lifestyle strategies for sustained success. And in entertainment news, Alan Ritchson faces an unimaginable threat in the trailer for Netflix's sci-fi feature War Machine. The film, from writer-director Patrick Hughes, launches on the streaming service on March 6. Dennis Quaid, Stephen James, Jay Courtney, Esai Morales, Blake Richardson, Keenan Lonsdale, and Daniel Weber round out the cast. The story centers on a team of United States Army Rangers, recruits who encounter an unparalleled danger during a training exercise. Whatever that thing is, it's hunting us, and it won't stop, Ritchson says in the footage. It's not about us anymore. It's warning everybody that thing's coming. Well, alrighty, folks. It's time for the quote of the day. And today, our quote comes from the American economist and author, John Kenneth Galbraith. And he said, "In economics, the majority is always wrong. This reminds us that financial strategies, like crypto investments, can be unpredictable, and caution is advised." And that's a wrap for this morning. You can check out our Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok for some captivating aerial videos with local news and the weather reports. an amazing day, my good friends. We'll see you tomorrow with another episode of Sunny Mornings in Boston.